pharma companies might be in focus today, and that's something we'll spend a little time on. The United States has slapped 15% tariffs on European Union's car and pharma exports, but this is lesser than what was expected. This is after Brussels and Washington inked a trade agreement. Varsha joins in with why this is important from an Indian pharmaceutical perspective. So, as of now, Varsha, there are no tariffs determined on Indian pharma exports to the United States. But this is being seen as an indicator of what might come, isn't it?
Yeah, exactly. Thank you for that, Tamanna. So, now if you see, EU will face 15% tariffs whenever they're going to export to US. Now, the rate is much lower than previous threats of 250% tariff. But, this tariff will be, determined after a section after 232, Section 232 investigation. But US will apply a most favored nation policy only, only on the generics segment of that is from September 1st. Now, how this is going to impact Indian pharma company, which is the important one here. As of now, we are seeing negligible impact on Indian pharma companies, but if the same principle, is to be applied, Indian pharma companies may see 25 to 50% of tariff if the same principle has been applied. But, some analysts are also expecting that Sun Pharma may have negative impact because of the specialty portfolio, especially its drug Ilumya, which is being, exported to US from Europe. And some analysts expect 150 to 180 million dollars of financial hit on Sun Pharma. But overall, because of this 15% tariff on Europe, analysts are expecting that maybe this is the base tariff that has been set, and maybe India may face 25 to 15% of tariff going forward. But as of now, the Indian pharma sector is being exempted from tariff.
Thanks so much.